Thank you for your question. What makes you smile? The first thing when I heard this question, I think about my habit. The habit like when I see the people in front of me, when I walk on the roads, or when I see my friend, my colleagues, I always smile and say, "Hi, how are you? What are you doing?" I got trained this habit from where uh, the children. Um, I go I go work around my village. Anytime I need to smile and say hi with them. Sometimes if I don't do like this, I only sad and don't see them, don't smile them. So them think, what's wrong with you? What happened with you? How are you? Please tell me. Or they they care me. They think I got the issue. Sometimes I got complaint if I blur them. So this the first thing I think how make me smile. The second thing when I got the the now information, the good news from my friend, from my family, from my colleagues, or from my project. When we win project, when we achieve the goal, so I go smile. When I see the message, I smile inside, I smile outside. Yeah, and right now I try to smile. I try to deep breath 3 times and smile 1 time before I hus before I pick up my phone, before I talking with my colleagues, when I got not feel good inside, when I cannot control emotion, when I want to fight in them, I try to press and make smile before I do this. Yeah, thank you.